So remember in the exam, you're not going to get knowledge marks, but you need to be aware of this. Just leadership traits, where a leader could be all about him or herself, manager-centred. Or the leader could be, no, I'm all about the workers, more worker-centred. So in the more manager-centred, the management would make a decision and just tell the staff. Or might be a little bit less authoritarian, the manager would sell the decision to the staff. Or even less authoritarian, the management would present ideas and ask questions from the staff. Now getting more worker centred, the manager would present the problem and get suggestions from the staff. The manager could ask for decisions within limits, so now the workers are making the decisions. Or the workers could even give the options and decide on the actions themselves, with a little bit of guidance from the managers. So you can see it goes from manager-centred to worker-centred. Now, you don't need to remember all of those, you just need to be aware of the concept, that's all, in the exam. Now, in the exam, what you're looking for is things like, right, if the country is really centralised, really dictatorial, and so therefore the workers and the people in that country are used to being given rules and given instructions, then the more manager-centred style would probably work better. In much more freer, laissez-faire, more democratic countries, then maybe the more worker-centred would be appropriate, particularly if you've got more knowledgeable workers. The more knowledgeable your workers are, they're going to prefer and expect to be involved in more decisions, have a bit more autonomy, and so you'd suggest that it'll only work if your leadership trait is a bit more worker-centred.